friends, my name is Penny Wolf for anyone that hasn't seen any of my videos before, and I happen to be a reseller on eBay and Posh. And today what I decided to do is to just do a small video of a haul video for you and show you some items that I picked up. I generally wait for the dollar days at Salvation Army or Goodwill. However, I do pick up some items that are not on sale, and some of those are part of this haul. It just depends on the brand. But anyhow, let's get started. The first item I'd like to show you is Lucky Brand. Some people either pick up Lucky Brand or they don't. I still do because of the fact they usually still sell for me. And if you can find any of the plus size ones, they sell a lot easier and for more money. However, and I don't pick up a lot of the really small sizes. This one particularly is a size small. I did pick it up because I got it for $1, and it's kind of the smock boho look, peasant top, and I went ahead and picked it up anyways because it's $1, and I'll probably list it for around 19. I'd be happy to get 10 out of it. And I have a second Lucky brand top, and this is a medium, and I did pick this up because it's a very nice print. Once again, maybe 10 to 15, $15 out of it. I'll list it for 19, but I'll probably put it on sale. The next item is Tommy Bahama, and in men's, it used to be a very popular brand to resell. In later years, it doesn't seem to move quite as quickly, but if you find certain pieces they do, like the men's button-up short sleeve, like cigar shirt, and a lot of them have like embroidery on the rear, and they're silk. Those are worth picking up. However, this is a women's, and it's just a shell, but it's kind of a neutral yellow color. I thought maybe somebody would like to purchase it to wear it maybe under a suit. And this is Tommy Bahama. And on this one here, I did look it up ahead of time, and probably $10-15, but I bought it for $1. That's still a great ROI. The next item is a men's two-piece suit. I just have the jacket here. It's black linen, and the brand isn't spectacular, but with it being black linen, I thought it was worth a try. It's actually GB Baroni Uno. It's a 46L, which is 46 long, and I thought I'd give it a try. This is the brand. And I tried to look it up. Didn't have this one particularly in linen that had sold, probably between $50 and $100. This one I did pay more money than $1. I did get it on sale because it had a few little dot spots, which I think will just wipe right off with a little damp cloth. And I paid $12.99 for this suit. If I got 50 out of it, that's still a great ROI. The next item is Brooks Brothers, and this is a women's Brooks Brothers, and the reason I picked it up is it is in excellent condition. It is a size 4, that's a little bit on the small size. In men's clothing, Brooks Brothers used to be a really great brand to sell. In later years, they don't move quite as quickly. I think maybe it just got flooded, the market. However, I have heard either the 1818 line or particularly the red fleece line in men's is worth picking up. It doesn't mean the item is red fleece, it's just the red fleece line. But this one is just a woman's Brooks Brothers. And I got it for $1. And on this one here, I'm going to still list it up there a little ways, 19, and maybe put it on sale and see how it does. It's kind of a nice color. The next one is another Lucky's brand, and this is a size medium. Once again, for $1, I figured I'd take a chance, and if I got $10 out of these, or 15, I'd be very happy. The next item is a Bowden, and I don't pick up all Bowden pieces. Some people really like the brand. However, sometimes some of the styles can sit, some of them move. But this is a dress. It's kind of like 3/4, well, I guess it'd be long sleeve, and it has pockets. And with it being red, holidays time, it'd be a good one to list. And it's Bowden. I don't know if you could see the tag. I got this for $1. That's worth selling. I did look it up, and maybe $29. The next item I did pick up, I did have to pay full price, $19.99 for it, but it was brand new with tags. It's a Lilly Pulitzer dress, and it was for $218 originally. I know it's not the standard typical print, that floral print. They usually have a lot of pink and greens, and this is solid. But a few years ago, I picked up some pieces that were solid, and they still sold pretty nicely. This is beautiful gold embroidery on it. It has pockets, and I thought it was worth listing, even though it retailed for 218. I did try to look it up, 65 maybe. I will probably list it for 99 at first, and see how it does. But Lilly Pulitzer. This next item I think I might have to keep for myself because I really like this top. It's by Silver Jeans, the jeans that have all the, the bling on the back pocket, the embroidery, and sometimes the flat pocket that buttons. It's by them, and it's new with tags. It was $68. I got it for that was the original price. I got it for $1, and it's long sleeve. It's just a really cute top. If I was to resell it though, they really didn't have the price up that high, maybe $20, but maybe not, once the cold weather comes, it may sell for more. But like I said, I may have to keep this item because I really like it. The next item is Talbots. I don't pick up all Talbot pieces, but I pick up some pieces. And the reason I picked this up is because it's polka dot. And polka dot seems to sell, and it doesn't have to be like a really great brand, but if it's something cute, a lot of times it will sell. And it was a little bit more popular a few years ago, but it still is popular. This is a really nice blouse. It has a side zipper on it, and I did pay for a little over $4 for this at Goodwill. I thought I'd take a chance. Talbots, and if I only get $10-15, I would like to get a little bit more, but if that's all you get, at least it would be, more than double or triple the money for it. The next item, I don't always pick up this brand, although it's very interesting because when you're on eBay and you look up the popular brands that's been most searched for clothing, like in women's, J. Jill comes up pretty high almost every time. And I've had J. Jill pieces sit for a long time. However, it must be a very popular brand. Maybe it's because, maybe the market's a little flooded. But the reason I bought this, and I paid a little bit more for this, I think I did pay a little over, I paid a little over $4 for it at Goodwill, is because it's silk. And it's very nice. It's plaid, and it ties at the bottom. Really cute, excellent condition. I picked it up anyways. It's J. Jill. That completes the items that I brought in from the haul today to show you. I will be doing much longer hauls, and I also will be doing some videos where showing items for how much they sold, because when I watch other resellers, some of my favorite videos are the haul videos and what sold videos and for how much. The haul videos are really nice to watch because sometimes some resellers research some items more than other brands and things like that. And you can learn a lot. You can also learn what might be trending. And, it depends on where you live, on what you come across. I don't come across a ton of really high-end brands, but occasionally I do. So you got to kind of look to find brands that you can sell that are a little bit more common brands, but maybe it's the style or the color or what it's made out of that makes it a little bit more desirable for reselling. Anyhow, until the next video, have a very blessed, great day.